Here's the update of my Z-axis build that I've been working on. Just about got it done. I'm embarrassed to tell you how much time it's taken me to do what little bit you see. But I've got it where it's smooth, there's no obstruction. The design, I was actually able, if you look down in here, I was actually able to use the same holes for the Acme nut that I'm using for the bearings. So if you look, I'm actually able, it's that tight down in there. And it rides smooth, moves smooth. So all I've got to do now is I've got to mill this because I have a back plate that has to go in right here. I'll show you that when I get it back on the machine. But I've got to make a plate for the front to hold my drawing nibs or my dry erase or whatever I'm putting in. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Got these, I got to put some Loctite on those. I did make a mistake when I drilled those. They're about 5 thousandths over. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have reamed them the size. I got a reamer, that exact reamer for that, but I don't know what I was thinking. But I've got set screws on it. I'll put some Loctite in there. Should be good to go. But that's where we're at with this one. I'll bring you back when I got a little bit more done. Thanks for watching.